Our picnic beef biryani preparations. Here I have taken 2 kilograms beef, 4 packets of biryani masalas, mustard oil. First cut meat into cubes. Let's start our marinating preparations. Mixing all the spices with mustard oil, while I am marinating beef. My bro rinsing 5 kilograms rice, which was soaked for 30 minutes. Here is our little helping hand. Meow meow meow. Now adding yogurt, mix mix mix, milk powder, mix mix mix, and our marination is done. Here is our rice, 3 kilograms potatoes, chopped onions, ginger garlic paste, tomato paste, whole spices, green chilies, cooking oil, and fragrance water. Meanwhile chopping some salad. Now let's get start making our biryani. First heat oil in a large pot. Add sliced onions and saute until golden brown. Add some green chilies, whole spices, ginger garlic paste, tomato paste and saute for a minute until the raw smell disappears. Add marinated beef cubes and cook until they are browned on all sides. Stir in chopped potatoes, cook for couple of minutes. Mix mix mix. Add soaked and drained rice to the pot. Stir gently to coat the rice with the spices. Some carrots and spring onions.
Can I be a star tonight?
Add salt. Mix mix mix.
You fill my soul with light the day we met. I don't wanna leave your side, no. Have me by your side when the sun
Adding ghee.
sets. I hope you'll still want me. I hope you'll still need me 1,000,000 years from now.
Pour water into the pot, adding some garam masala and bring it to a boil.
It's time we left the ground. Let's leave for an eternity. We'll sail across the lights beyond the sky.
Once the rice is 80% cooked, adding some green chilies, garam masala, fragrance water, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot,
Keeps me
and let it
high.
cook until the rice is fully done and the meat is tender. Once cooked, add some fried onions, biryani essence, stir the biryani gently. Serve the picnic hot beef biryani with salad. And enjoy your picnic. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.